Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV, where we take a close, honest look at the products that promise to make your kitchen run smoother. Today, we're talking about something that blends and chops its way into just about every modern kitchen: the Cuisinart BFP-703BC Smart Power Duet blender and food processor. It's brushed chrome, sleek, and marketed as a 2-in-1 powerhouse that can crush ice, blend smoothies, and handle light food prep, all in one setup. But does it actually live up to its smart power name? Or is it just another countertop gadget taking up space? Let's find out. The BFP-703BC is designed to merge two core kitchen appliances, a blender and a mini food processor, into one streamlined device. Under the hood, it's got a 500-watt motor, which isn't the most powerful on the market, but is sufficient for most home blending needs. It runs on a 7-speed touchpad interface with LED indicators for modes like stir, chop, mix, puree, food processor, and ice crush. The 48-ounce glass jar feels sturdy and solid, and that die-cast metal housing adds an element of durability that a lot of plastic body blenders can't match. Cuisinart includes a 3-cup food processor bowl that locks into the same base, complete with a feed tube, pusher, slicing and shredding disc, and a chopping blade. The brand claims this setup can replace both your countertop blender and your small processor, offering a solution for users tired of juggling multiple devices and cluttering up limited kitchen space. In actual day-to-day use, setup is refreshingly simple. Swapping between the blender and food processor attachments doesn't take more than a few seconds, and all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a lot easier. When blending smoothies, the 500-watt motor handled frozen fruit without much hesitation, and it can crush ice quite effectively, especially impressive considering it doesn't require liquid to get started. The stainless steel blades are sharp and efficient, particularly for basic tasks like pureeing soups or mixing batters. However, during heavier food processor tasks like kneading dough or grating harder vegetables, you start to notice that the motor isn't quite as robust as higher-end models. It still gets the job done, but you can hear it working harder. Now let's pause for a second. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next review. We've got plenty more honest takes coming your way. Back to the Cuisinart. The convenience factor is undeniable. The controls are simple, no fancy displays or overcomplicated dials. The LED indicators help you keep track of which speed you're on, and the pulse option gives a nice degree of control for chopping or emulsifying. The glass jar is a highlight. It feels premium, resists odors, and doesn't cloud up like plastic alternatives. However, that sturdiness also means it's heavy, and pouring from it can be awkward if your hands are wet. The food processor attachment, while handy, is relatively small at just 3 cups. It's great for salsas, dips, or quick veggie prep, but not ideal for large batches. Talking about strengths, versatility is a big one here. Having both a blender and food processor in one unit saves counter space and offers convenience for anyone who doesn't need a full-sized food processor. The design feels more expensive than its mid-range price tag suggests, and the die-cast body gives it that satisfying weight of a durable appliance. It's also straightforward to clean. Cuisinart's dishwasher-safe parts really cut down on post-cooking hassle. On the flip side, the biggest drawback is the motor's limitation under heavier loads. While the 500-watt motor is fine for blending and chopping, it's not ideal for dense dough or prolonged food processing sessions. The smaller processor bowl also limits what you can make in one go, and some users might find the lid locking mechanism a little finicky at first. When it comes to value for money, the Cuisinart BFP-703BC sits in an interesting middle ground. It's more expensive than basic entry-level blenders, but far cheaper than high-end dual systems. Compared to something like the Ninja Duo or KitchenAid K400, it doesn't pack as much raw power, but it compensates with a sturdier build and a classic look that fits into any kitchen style. If you're not blending kale smoothies every morning or making nut butter, this unit delivers solid value for everyday blending and light food prep. Stacking it against similar competitors, it stands up quite well in terms of build and simplicity. Models like the Oster Pro 1200 offer slightly more wattage, but often with cheaper plastic housings that don't age as well. On the flip side, if power is your top priority, higher-end models like the Breville Hemisphere Control will outperform it in pure blending efficiency, but at a much higher price. Cuisinart's focus here is balance, not brute force. It's the middle ground for people who want reliability and multifunctionality without splurging. The build quality here deserves real credit. The brushed chrome finish feels premium and resists fingerprints fairly well. The base is solid with minimal vibration during blending, and that heavy glass pitcher feels built to last. While long-term motor durability varies depending on usage, Cuisinart's reputation for reliable kitchen appliances suggests it'll hold up with moderate, regular use. The limited 3-year warranty also provides some peace of mind, reinforcing the idea that this is built to serve as a staple appliance rather than a short-term gadget. In terms of customer support, Cuisinart generally fares well. Their service team is known for being accessible, and warranty claims are typically processed without excessive hassle. The inclusion of a detailed manual and a recipe booklet makes setup and experimentation easy even for those new to multifunction kitchen tools. So, what's the verdict? The Cuisinart BFP-703BC Smart Power Duet doesn't try to outmuscle the competition. It's not the loudest, fastest, or most high-tech option out there, but it's incredibly practical, durable, and user-friendly. It delivers solid performance for everyday blending and food prep, packaged in a sleek, heavy-duty design that feels trustworthy. It's best suited for home cooks who want a reliable, all-in-one solution without the clutter of multiple machines. If you're expecting Vitamix-level power, this isn't it. But for most kitchens, it strikes a satisfying balance between versatility and simplicity. Thanks for watching Reviewsinside TV. You'll find the link to check out this product in the comments box below. If you already own the Cuisinart Smart Power Duet, let us know how it's held up for you, or drop any questions you've got. We always love hearing from you. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV signing off, where we blend truth with insight, one review at a time.